Hey everyone, welcome back to another new, fresh, and interesting episode of Tech Week, wherein today we'll be talking about the infamous Apple Watch. And I'm your host Bhargav, and let's get started. Alright, before starting with the video, if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to hit the notification bell as well to never miss any of the updates which I post daily. And right now, let's talk about the Apple Watch. Ever since its introduction into the market, the history of watches has been changed forever. Like it began a new era of smart watches, where right now we can see fitness smart watches of all different sizes and all different price ranges. But the one that rules them all is Apple Watch. No matter whether you're wearing a 1,000 rupees fitness band or anything, you can't imagine any smartwatch if you're willing to purchase other than Apple Watch. You'll obviously compare any smartwatch to the Apple Watch because that's how Apple has made that watch from time to time. From automatic SOS service to even on screen waking up, like whenever you rotate your hand like this, and to any majorly many features have been introduced newly to the Apple Watch. And similarly, many developers have also come out with an Android alternative because everybody knows that in order to have a Apple Watch working, you need to have an Apple device, whether it be Mac, whether it be iPhone, whether it be iPad, or any Apple device. But now there are many versions to its operating system as well. But now in the WWDC, Apple has announced a new version which is called WatchOS 7. And right now there are many features inside of it as well. The first feature is the inclusion of App Store inside that watch. Now you can access the App Store directly from the watch instead of using it in the iPhone. And now there are already over 20,000 apps that work specially for the apps. The watch OS inside the App Store ready. Previously, whenever you wanted to install, you need to install it through your iPhone, but now you don't need all of that. You just can access all of the widgets, third party widgets, using Apple Watch to gain more personalized experience. And also the developers have been given the lenience to actually customize the watch faces. Like there is a feature called Nike Run Club, which Apple mentioned, which shows all the applications which you need while running. Although these all can be customized by the user, the end result, but there are pre-made watch faces which you can use by installing third-party apps. Cool. And the next feature is pretty interesting. It's called face sharing. Now you can actually share the watch faces which you have made across all the social media platforms and websites, basically all over the internet. And you can even download the watch face which you like. Suppose think that I visited a website and I like the watch face. Now, if I want to import it into my Apple Watch, if I want to use it as my daily watch face, I can just simply do it by the tap of the button. Like just by tapping on it, I can install it in my Apple Watch. Cool. And the next feature is pretty interesting. It is basically more and more fitness options have been included now. Like dancing is another new fitness feature which has been included. Or if you are a daily workout guy who works who does the exercises based upon the back and your belly, there is an option for that. And even to cool down your blood pressure, also there have been some exercise modes wherein you can track everything, like based upon what how much energy you're gaining and how much energy you're losing while performing the exercises. And while dancing, Apple has fixed a feature, mentioned clearly a feature which should have been a problem, but due to the increased level of machine learning and artificial intelligence, it analyzes the data. That problem is like, well, there are repetitive movements in various forms of dances. So whenever you move repetitively the same direction, the Apple Watch does not feel any problem. It just simply tracks your dance movements using the machine learning present inside it, and gives you the perfect analysis of your body based upon the data it has analyzed using the sensors and that is gyroscope and accelerometer, and also the inbuilt machine learning and artificial intelligence present inside the processor of the Apple Watch. Cool. And maps have been updated as well. Now you can get turn by turn directions, like step by step. Like suppose if I want to go to the end of the street, if I have to take a right turn, it will just mention first go straight, until when I reach that destination it will tell me take right, and bang, the end of the street. And also now cycling directions have been made available. This is across all the platforms, like whether you're using iOS or iPad OS or even watch OS. In these three, you can get navigation for cycling directions. Right now this cycling directions is currently not that complete. There are pretty much bugs. I hope Apple fixes them by the time they release the official stable version. Now, what is that cycling mode is basically that there are many people who use cycle as a medium of transport. For them, the best cycling routes will be told based upon the place where he is in. With the Apple Maps, just realizes your route around you, or your the route from one place to your destination, and gives you the best cycling route. So it can also tell you to take turn, or sometimes even take stairs for that matter, to reach quickly. It can even tell you to stop the play bike and walk with that bike wherever the road is not good. Awesome. And this is the feature which I like the most. It is called automatic detection. What this does is, suppose think that whenever you're washing your hand, about to wash your hand, by listening to the sound of the water falling from that tap, a timer gets activated, a 20-second timer gets activated to remind the user, and gives a haptic feedback, a vibration feedback, to remind the user that he or she has to wash the hands for 20 seconds, because you know why Apple has made that feature due to the pandemic. uh, and I love that feature which Apple has announced. And also the last major feature which Apple has announced is called sleep tracking. Yeah, this one thing was missing from for many years, and finally came to the watch OS 7 inside the Apple Watch. This feature was the one that differed it to other alternatives at its price range. Like you can take a Samsung Galaxy, a watch active series comes with that at that price range, with excellent similar specs and similar software in tuning, but not it's not directly a copy, but it still has some features which the Apple Watch OS does not, and vice versa. But now many people want to track their sleep and gain that 8 hour sleep or their comfortable sleep modes. Right now you can uh, track your sleep by wearing the watch OS, and, and also it'll just wake you up. You can choose like when how to make the watch wake you up, either by giving an alarm, or if you don't want to disturb the others inside the house, you can just make it give haptic vibrations which are audible only to you. So these are the features, some of the cool features which Apple has announced, and there are many features which Apple didn't discuss, but you'll get all of them when the latest watch comes out. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a like, and comment down your favorite feature in the comment section. And also follow me on social media platforms, that is Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, whose links are in the description below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, and stay home, stay safe. Bye for now, guys.